Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hi there, Tony Policastro from Music Villa, here today to look at a custom shop D18 from the folks at Martin. Before we get started, please click on the link below and sign up for the acoustic letter. You will get photos, you will get videos, and you will get pricing of all the cool custom shop and one-of-a-kind guitars we get in from Martin, Taylor, and Gibson. Today, we're going to be looking at this awesomely cool, vintagey, reissue-y kinda D18 from the Martin Custom Shop. This is modeled after what the Martin Company used to do for the D18 Company. It's a 12-fret dreadnought, just like they were when they first started. And it has a shaded spruce top, Adirondack spruce top, ebony bridge, fossilized ivory saddle, fossilized ivory nut, kind of a really nice stark black ebony fingerboard with small dot inlay. Again, 12-fret body neck joint. It has the old school Martin decal and the old school way of slotting the headstock. This does not have the square ends like you'll see on the modern guitars, rather the rounded ones. And our favorite, Waverly tuners. This has a 1 3/4 inch nut width. Again, fossilized ivory. Mahogany back and sides with kind of all the plain Jane trimmings of a D18, but the same great tone. So let's give this thing a listen. Thank you for listening to the Martin Custom Shop D18. Don't forget to click the link below and sign up for the acoustic letter. And, of course, please leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for listening.